This is the first video of probably a lot of how to make cocktails. I decided that this first one probably should be the old-fashioned, mostly because it's like the old-fashioned. It's in every bartender can make it. As the name would imply, it's been around a long time. And it's a pretty easy cocktail to make when it all comes down to it. So, starts with the basics. Three things: sugar, a rye whiskey, and bitters. Everything else is garnishment, and the old-fashioned can be made a variety of ways depending upon how you garnish it. But the essence is right here. So first, start out with ice. Fancy ice ball. I go with the fancy ice ball because it looks nice, it's not hard to make, and it looks good. So first, go with 2 ounces of the rye whiskey. I'm using Rittenhouse 100 proof. And I'm getting really low on this stuff. Next is the simple syrup, 1/2 ounce. Now, why is my simple syrup brown? Well, I use a cane sugar and water mixture. It's 50-50. Basically, put like a 1/2 cup of each in, and you boil it, you stir it, and you let it cool, and then you bottle it. You have simple syrup. Next up, the bitters, Angostura Bitters. This is a staple in every single bar. If a bar doesn't have it, it's not a good bar. 2 to 3 dashes, depending upon how you like it. I go with 1, 2, 3. Then the next up is you got to stir it, get it a little cool. Just mix up everything. Not a big deal. Some bartenders will actually make this in a different vessel. It can be made in the glass. Orange peel. I got a nice cool orange peeler. Now, you might be thinking, oh, is that necessary? Do you have to do an orange peel? Yes, you should definitely do an orange peel. The reason being is you get the essence of the orange, you get the oils. It just works. Doing one of these without just doesn't make a lot of sense. It doesn't taste that good. Lastly, I use Luxardo Maraschino cherries. You can use those bright red ones. These ones taste a heck of a lot better. They're a little more expensive, probably 3-4 times more expensive, but they last a long time. They're very good, and you'll enjoy them. Your guests will enjoy them. They're lovely. Normally, I would pull one out of the bottle and stab it with a toothpick or a bamboo stick. I've free-done that. It takes a while. It doesn't look good on camera. So, got one of these, put it in there, and you're ready to go. And enjoy your old-fashioned.